Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Today we will start with Unit 3, Chapter 3, Rate of Chemical Reactions. Chemical reactions have different properties. One of the differences between chemical reactions is the rate at which they occur. Kinetics is the study of the rate of reactions. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define the rate of a chemical reaction, identify the effect of temperature on the rate of a reaction, describe the effect of a catalyst on the rate, and finally, explain the role of enzymes. What is the rate of a reaction? The rate of a chemical reaction is the speed at which reactants are changed into products. In the following example, two chemicals, barium chloride and sodium sulfate, react with each other once they are in contact. So we say that this chemical reaction is instantaneous. Other reactions, such as combustion of butane gas, are fast. Certain reactions are very slow, example rusting of iron. There are several factors that affect the rate of a reaction, such as temperature. The following experiment is performed to study the effect of temperature on the rate of a reaction. One beaker is filled with cold soft drink, while the other is filled with warm drink. One vitamin C tablet is placed in each beaker. The amount of bubbles after a time is observed. As you can notice, the amount of bubbles in the second beaker, which was placed at a higher temperature, is more. Thus, we conclude that temperature increases the rate of reactions. Keep in mind that some chemical reactions don't obey this rule, and the rate is either not affected or decreases when temperature is increased. In application 1, you have to identify the effect of temperature on the rate of a reaction. Please pause the video, then check your answers. A flask is filled with hydrogen peroxide. Its formula is H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes to produce water and oxygen gas according to the following equation. To increase the rate of this reaction, we can add a chemical called potassium permanganate. We notice that hydrogen peroxide is decomposed faster. Then potassium permanganate acts as a catalyst, which is a substance that increases the rate of the reaction. A catalyst remains unchanged at the end of the reaction, thus it is not used up. That's why we write the formula of the catalyst on the arrow when writing a chemical equation. KMnO4 is the formula of potassium permanganate. In our body, we have biological catalysts that are called enzymes. As you know, enzymes are proteins that speed up digestion. Now solve application 2, where you will explore the role of a substance called manganese dioxide. There are other factors that increase the rate of a chemical reaction, such as increasing the amount or concentration of reactants used in a reaction. Also, if we increase the contact surface by grinding the reactant and using it as a powdered solid. Please study the notes very well, then open your books to page 121 and solve the exercises. Stay safe.